Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to move your Steam games to an external drive, which is perfect if you're running low on storage space or want to keep your games portable. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see the word Steam there. Click on it and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up the settings window where you can configure various aspects of your Steam client. In the settings window, look at the left panel where you'll find different categories. Click on Storage. This section is specifically designed to help you manage where your Steam games are stored and gives you full control over your game library locations. It's incredibly useful for organizing your games across multiple drives. Now, at the top of the storage section, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Add Drive. This feature allows you to designate new locations where Steam can store your games, which is essential before you can move anything to your external drive. Once you click Add Drive, another drop-down menu will appear. Click on this drop-down menu and select your preferred local drive. Then click Add. This registers the new drive with Steam and makes it available as a destination for your games. The system needs a moment to recognize and configure this new storage location. After adding your drive, click the drop-down menu again. This will display all your saved Steam games, specifically for that folder or location you've selected. It gives you a complete overview of what's currently stored there and helps you keep track of your game distribution across different drives. Inside the storage settings, you'll now see a list of all your games. This is where the actual moving process begins. Right beside every Steam game listed, there's a checkbox. To select a game you want to move, simply check the box next to it. If you want to move multiple games at once, you can check several boxes. This batch moving feature is really convenient when you're reorganizing a large library and don't want to move games one by one. Once you've selected all the games you want to relocate, click Move. A new window will pop up asking you to choose the destination for these games. In this window, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can select your external drive. Click on the drop-down menu and choose the external drive you added earlier. This tells Steam exactly where you want these games transferred. Finally, click Move to begin the transfer process. Steam will now start moving your selected games to the external drive. Depending on the size of the games and the speed of your drives, this might take a few minutes or longer, so be patient while the transfer completes. The games will remain fully functional and playable once the move is finished. And that's it! You've successfully moved your Steam games to an external drive, freeing up valuable space on your main drive. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.